If you're over 60 and want stronger legs without pain, stay with me for the next 10 minutes. These exercises can change how you walk. Welcome back to Senior Over 60 Fitness. We are doing our 100-day senior exercise series, and today is day 12. If you're new here, don't worry. You can start from day 12 and move forward with us. Today, we'll do 5 easy daily leg exercises, step by step, together. Exercise 1. Chair sit to stand. Sit on a strong chair with your feet flat on the floor and arms relaxed. Keep your chest lifted and look forward. I am standing with you like your trainer. Slowly lean forward, press through your heels, and stand up fully. Now sit back down with control. We will count every repetition together so you never feel lost. Ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25. Breathe in as you sit and breathe out as you stand. Move slowly and safely. If today is your second, third, or 12th day, the method stays the same. If your thighs burn or balance feels hard, that is normal. Please comment below and tell me which repetition felt most difficult for you. You are doing great. Exercise 2. Seated leg extensions. Sit tall on your chair with both feet flat and hands resting by your sides. I am right here guiding you like a trainer. Start with your right leg. Slowly lift your foot forward until your leg is straight, then gently lower it back down. This exercise strengthens your thighs and supports your knees, which helps with walking and standing. Let us count together. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25. Halfway through, pause and notice how your leg feels. Are your thighs warming up, or do your knees feel stiff today? That feeling is important. Please comment below and tell me how you are feeling right now. Now switch to the other leg and continue calmly and confidently. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25. Exercise 3. Standing side leg raises, chair support. Stand behind your sturdy chair and hold the backrest lightly with both hands for support. Keep your feet hip-width apart and your back straight. Today, we are focusing on the outer thighs and improving balance. Slowly lift your right leg to the side, keeping your toes pointing forward, and then gently lower it back. We will count every repetition together to stay on track. Ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25. Move slowly and maintain control, breathing naturally. Now switch to the left leg and repeat the same. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, Tell me in the comments which leg feels harder today, the right or the left. Keep holding the chair lightly to stay safe and balanced throughout. Exercise 4, heel raises, calf strength. Stand straight behind your sturdy chair and hold the backrest lightly with both hands for support. Keep your feet hip-width apart and shoulders relaxed. Slowly lift both heels off the ground, rising onto the balls of your feet, and then gently lower back down. This exercise strengthens your calves and improves stability. Let us count each repetition together carefully. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25. Remember to breathe in as you lower your heels and breathe out as you lift them. Move in a controlled and steady manner, avoiding any sudden jerks. How are your calves feeling right now? Please comment below if your calves feel tight or warm. This feedback helps us stay motivated and connected. Exercise 5, seated marching. Sit tall on your chair with your back straight, feet flat on the floor, and hands resting on your thighs or the chair for support. Today, we are working on leg strength and core coordination. Lift your right knee slowly toward your chest, then lower it back down. Now lift your left knee and continue alternating legs. We will count every repetition together to keep you motivated. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24. 25. Keep your movements controlled and steady and engage your core to stay balanced. Breathe naturally. Inhale as you lower your leg, exhale as you lift. How are you feeling? Which repetition feels the toughest for you today? Comment below and let me know so we can stay encouraged together. Great job completing day 12 with me. If you exercise till the end, comment day 12 done below. Share this video with 5 to 7 senior friends so you can all stay strong together. I'll see you tomorrow for day 13.